She's just a small town girl raised in the South, heart full of dreams with no one to see what she's all about. She's not the one to run around, and she gives her love with no one to tell how much she means. And she knows that hearts grow cold the longer it goes, but you can't let go, but you gotta let go to the sound in the know of I love you. He's just a city boy looking for a dream. Had a heartbreak that knocked him off his feet. Found that love is never true when it's for free. Sacrifice and hope is its currency. And he knows hearts grow cold the longer it goes, but you can't let go, but you gotta let go to the sound and the know of I love you.
Perhaps one day I'll hit the lotto, then my bills would all be paid. money no longer would be a bother. My life would never be the same. We could travel all around this world, fly first class every day. But if I never hit the lotto, would you still love me anyway? Perhaps one day I'll reach the big time. The whole world would know my name. Well, every other magazine cover would use me for their campaign. We would be the hardest couple around, from New York to LA.